Welcome boys. This video is for Mayhew. In this episode I'm going to show you how to find all of the hidden videos I've been making for the dash cams I sent you. So this is my main page, everybody knows that, Panzer platform. I've got 165 videos. So I've got a second channel, and the second channel is on my home page, and it's right here. It's called Panzer Dash Cam. So click on that, and then here it says I've got 15 videos, and if we click on videos, here they are. That's them, 15 videos. Well, if you get into my studio, it says I actually have 1,445 videos. So where are all these videos hidden? Well, all of the videos are unlisted. Basically means they're hidden, and the only way you can watch them is if somebody sends you a link or if somebody put them in a playlist that's public. So that's how you find them. You click right here on playlists, and these are all of the videos, and you can see I've got them categorized into all different categories. Mainly it's all dash cams from every dash cam I've ever tested. Each dash cam gets its own playlist, and there's a bunch in there. So that's where all the 1,500 videos are. So what we're looking for is we're looking for this one right here, Dash Cam 101 Hollywood Hornet. So if we click on View Full Playlist, we can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos in here. And these are them. So before you get ready to install the dash cams, Mayhew, you want to watch some of these, like the vehicle specific recommendation, camera locations one, the battery pack one. Oh, this one's important, how to use the Viofo app and how to do the camera settings. That's pretty important. And I think I'm going to make one or two more about how to align the lens, and another one I can't remember right now. Okay, that's pretty much it. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.